Okay, on your computer, you can go to docs.google.com to get a spreadsheet like this. You don't have to pay for Excel. And on your brand new spreadsheet here, you can create a document kind of thing to make your own tracker for your scents. So the first thing you're going to want to know is what is your mold. And then you're going to want to know what fragrance you used, the percentage of fragrance, because it makes a difference if you use 7% or 10%, the wax that you used. And you're also going to want to know the wicks. And did you use any dye? Okay, so these are the main things that we're going to need to track when we are making, like when we're testing candles. So this should be pretty straightforward. So in this one, I would say I'm using the large sheep mold. This is for yourself, so you can use whatever you want. So I'm going to pretend like vanilla, and I'm going to say I used a 7% fragrance, and I used, maybe I used crystal palm wax. And then I used 4.0 ACS, and then I used brown or something like that. And then I would do this again, large, and then, oh, one thing, can't forget this, the result. The result, you need to keep track of the result. So after you have, you know, like got everything here, you just say, I'm going to do this again. It's at 7%. It's, you just do the same thing again. And then here maybe I used a 5.0, and then I used brown. So then when I'm testing now, I can I can write down my results. So like, how did it go here? So we might need to make these like a little bit bigger so that we have some room to write or whatever, but this is a spreadsheet. So the great thing is that you can just move things around as you need. You could print this off for yourself, or you can just like have a spreadsheet on your computer here, and you can just go like mold testing, and then every time that you need to check it out and write some information down, you just go to this spreadsheet, mold testing, and then you're good to go. So make something like this for yourself on Google Docs.